In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a trading journal with a win rate tracker in Notion using a free template. This is a simple way to record your trades, monitor your performance, and improve your trading strategy over time. Let's get started. Open Notion and go to the Templates gallery. In the search bar, type Trading Journal or Win Rate Tracker and browse the available templates. Choose the template that best fits your trading style. Then click Use this template to add it to your workspace. Once the template opens, explore the layout. Most trading journal templates include sections for trade date, market, asset, entry price, exit price, position size, profit or loss, trade result, and notes. Start logging your trades by clicking New and entering the details for each trade. Record whether the trade was a win or a loss, along with any observations about your setup or execution. As you continue adding trades, the template will automatically update your trading statistics, including your win rate and other performance metrics if the template supports them. Customize the journal by adding properties such as your trading strategy, risk to reward ratio, screenshots, or emotional notes. This helps you review your performance and identify patterns over time. Keep your journal updated after every trade so your win rate and trading data remain accurate and useful for future analysis. That's how to build a trading journal with a win rate tracker in Notion. Thanks for watching.